Hi, welcome back to CIT Tech Tips. Today we'll be covering laptops versus desktops. By the end of this video, you should hopefully know which one's good for you. First, let's cover laptops. Laptops are a good choice for portable use as they are small and compact. They are way easier to take with you than a desktop is, which makes it better for on-the-go use. A laptop comes basically complete with everything you need, like a monitor, keyboard, and a trackpad. Laptops also offer things that some PCs don't have, like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth adapters, a touchscreen, and sometimes a SIM card slot for access to mobile data. While a laptop is smaller, the smaller components are more costly, which makes them generally more expensive than desktops. The higher cost and higher mobility of a laptop also makes it more susceptible to theft, especially if the owner is taking the laptop around with them in public. Like now moving on to desktops. Desktops are generally less costly than a laptop, but they can get to be very expensive when you get to the very high performing ones. A desktop is much more customizable in that you can upgrade the desktop more easily than you can a laptop. This results in the desktop being cheaper to repair than the laptop if something goes wrong, because you can easily replace the part that failed. Because a laptop has everything in one place, you can't move the monitor or keyboard, and this results in people hunching over when using a laptop. But since you can move slash change the monitor and keyboard on a desktop, it's better for posture. A desktop consumes more power than a laptop, but this means that it can support more things like GPUs without failing, making desktops more powerful than laptops depending on the situation. Recap. Desktops are less portable than a laptop, making a laptop better for on-the-go use. But a desktop is more powerful than a laptop and less costly, making them better for stationary tasks that require high performance, like gaming. I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching CIT Tech Tips. For more information, check the link down below. Make sure to check out our podcast. Have a great day.